No, in reference to the microwave that they blew up, I think it was a microwave that I had bought for $175 or something at Walmart. I think it might be the one. Yeah, the grill function. I think yeah, grill. Oh, yeah. I'm looking at the website right now on Walmart. But the microwave they blew up was a $175 microwave, I guess. Yeah, that might be that's what it says on the website right now. It just looks like the same model. Yeah. But my microwave got blown up. But at Walmart, I guess the microwave right now costs $175 or something that they fucked up. The satellite man blew it up or whatever.